Let's fuel a harrow tractor. You're doing really great. Let's clear the field from weeds. We need to wash the harrow tractor. Hooray! Let's assemble a sprayer truck. Done! We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Keep up the good work. It hasn't rained for a long time and the soil is dry. We need to water it. Let's wash the sprayer truck. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a grain harvester. We did it! Let's fuel the grain harvester. Hooray! The weeders are already ripe. It's time to reap them. And now let's wash the grain harvester. Ready. Let's assemble a pickup harvester. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the pickup harvester. You're doing really great. Let's thresh the reaped weeders and load them into the grain truck. We need to wash the pickup harvester. Amazing! We need to assemble a